guys, welcome to my channel. Myself, Dr. Hilary. I'm currently pursuing my master's in prosthetic dentistry, Crown and Bridge, and also a part-time YouTuber. So I have a whole playlist of college review, and in that playlist, this is the add-on video of dental colleges of Gujarat. Again, it was a very much requested video, and I just have a small disclaimer before starting this video that whatever information I'm sharing in this video is I'm sharing as a senior of yours, or as a dental student who knows something about these colleges, and I have gathered this information from my friends or from my colleagues, and like that way I've gathered this information and made this video. So I insist that you do your own research before choosing any college, okay? And in this video, I've included 10 best colleges of Gujarat, and in which I'm going to tell you that, which department is better if you are watching this video for your before your MDS counseling, okay? And also, I'll tell you the fees for MDS, stipend for MDS, and all over, I'll give you the idea of this college, okay? So if you are a UG student and watching this video, you have to take a little bit of effort and visit this particular college's website and check out the fee structure, okay? Otherwise you will get an overview of that college from this video. So now, any further ado, let's get started. So first we are beginning with Government Dental College, Ahmedabad, okay, the best in Gujarat. Patient flow here is very high. It is extremely good. You will get a good clinical exposure. Best department is Prosto department. Technologically advanced and highly equipped department is Endo, which is again a very, it is equipped with very great equipments when it is about Endo. Then if you are applying or if you are doing a choice filling and GDC Ahmedabad is one of the choice filling you are doing, then I would say that oral surgery, you keep it as a last priority. All other clinical departments are better than it. This is what I've heard. Okay, again, don't take it as a last statement. Do your own research. Pedo is also a very good department, and stipend for MDS part 1 is 65,000 per month. Okay, for part 2 it is 67,000, and for part 3 it is 69,000. Ortho provides only conventional treatment, although patient flow is very good, staff is also very good, and fees are around 20,000 per year. Okay, as it is a government college. Now coming to the second government college in Gujarat, which is in Jamnagar. So PG seats are only in two branches, that is perio and endodontics, and it has a very good patient flow as it is a government dental college, and stipend is same as GDC Ahmedabad, and over these two department endo is better than perio. For UG it is a extremely good option after GDC Ahmedabad, okay? Now coming to the third college, which is AMC. Again, it is in Ahmedabad, and patient flow is very good here. Okay, it is the best. Oral surgery and prosto are the best department in here, and you can fill in second priority as a endo. Like oral surgery and prosto are extremely good. Then endo. This is what I've heard from students who are studying there. Okay, and stipend is again same as government dental college, but fees are more. It is semi government kind of college, and fees are 9 lakh per year. Okay, and these are, I guess, management seats. If you are into some quota, then fees are different, that you need to figure it out at yourself. Like you can find it on this college's website, or you can call the admin section of the college and take out all those details. Now, the fourth college is KM Shah Dental College, which is in Vadodara. It has a extremely good patient flow. It is a deemed university, okay, and thus it is filled through all India quota counseling, but not state quota counseling, okay. But it has a good patient flow. They send their, vehicles around the area to, for the easy connectivity for the patients, okay, so that patient from villages can also come to this college, and that's how the patient flow has been maintained. Okay, it is very old in all the private colleges, and prosto is a good department here. Fees, I think it is keep on updating as it is a deemed university, so better you check it on this college's website. Stipend given here is 2.5k per month for PG students only. For the ADC Ahmedabad, there are 5 PG seats in all the branches, okay, all clinical branches, and Prosto and Ortho are good department, okay, and Pedo and Perio are the second best. Government quota fees are 6 lakh per year, and management quota is 7 lakh per year. Oral surgery through government quota it is 12 lakh per year, and through management quota it is 14 lakh per year. So for oral surgery, this particular college is having higher fees than the other branches, and patient flow is little bit affected. It is not as good as the earlier colleges which I reviewed. Now, the sixth is Manubhai Patel Dental College, Vadodara. Very good patient flow and exposure. One of my closest friends, she has done UG from there, and she has given me extremely good review for this college when it comes to UG or for PG. Okay, so Prosto and Endo are the best department. Patient flow is extremely good. I would like to emphasize on this fact as I know it that it is good. And fees it is 8 lakh per year for PG students, and ortho ke liye fees are little bit higher, which is 9 to 10 lakh per year, and for perio it is 7 to 8 lakh per year, and it is more focused on academics and no implants hands on in perio department. Now coming to the seventh college, which is again in Ahmedabad, that is Bopal Dental College. Prosto and Endo are good department. Patient flow in this college is average. It is not too less, not too good. Okay, fee structure is 8 to 9 lakh per year, and for management quota, endo ka fees is 14 lakh per year. Okay, and oral surgery, you will get 2 months of GCRI postings, and fees are 9 lakh per year. For management quota it is 2 lakh more. Pedo is a very good department and staff is also good. Okay, OMR is the best department in non-clinical, okay, because the staff over there is extremely good in OMR, and they also provide very good guidance. Also fees is just 1.5 lakh per year, and oral pathologica fees is also very less. It is 70 to 80,000 per year, okay, which is the less of all the private colleges in Gujarat. Now coming to the eighth college, which is Karnavati Dental College, again in Ahmedabad. It is a deemed university. Patient flow is moderate, not very good, not very less. Okay, clinical clinical branches ke fees are 7 to 8 lakh per year. Perio has a very less fee, that is 4.7 lakh per year. Campus is very good. Infrastructure is very good as it is a deemed university. Academically also good guidance is there. Prosto is very strict department, but it is very good. Also, Endo is equally good department. Now coming to the ninth college, which is Narsinhbhai Patel Dental College and Hospital, Visnagar. Prosto and Endo are good department here, and all the material is provided by the college. GCRI posting is there for oral surgery PGs, and oral surgery is also a good department. Exposure is good because of as the hospital is attached, okay, and overall patient flow is very good in this college, okay, and from every other aspect like infrastructure or the management wise, this is a good college. Now, Goenka Dental College, Gandhinagar, stipend is 5,000 per month, and there are free transportation for PGs provided as the college is into the rural area. Okay, and it has a very less patient flow. I would personally say that if you are not getting into any other colleges, which I have reviewed earlier, and your rank is less and you want to do PG somehow, then and then you should choose this college. Okay, like it should be a last option, then choose this college. And there is also less exposure to advanced technologies, and I don't personally feel that, you know, there is any point in doing PG where you do not have enough advancements, or the, you know, advanced technologies, or the lab support when it comes to ortho and prosto, and the patient flow is less, then there is no meaning in doing PG. But still, if you want to do it, you can keep it as an option. So last is the Dharmsinh Desai University, Nadiad. There are 3 seats per department in all the clinical branches. Oral surgery is the best department. It is connected with medical hospital, and also the clinical cases exposure is good in oral surgery. Okay, perio and prosto are again a good departments in here. No stipend is provided, and patient flow is decent enough. Okay, it is not very bad, but it is decent enough here. So this was the whole review of dental colleges of Gujarat. If you, my friends, have any questions, please put it down in the comment, because you know it is not possible for me to cover all the information. But yeah, if you have still have any questions, you can write it down in the comment, and maybe I can reply, or I can search it for you and reply it to you. And also, apart from this, you have any better information, then please write it down in the comment section. It will help a lot many dental students, and that is the only motto of this channel, right? So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe it. Also hit the like button so that this video reaches more students like you, and they can also take advantage of this information. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.